Do we require? We can cut the same required length. No, I have found nothing. Let me try again. Yeah, it's here. And yeah, now it's fine.
Oh, great.
Is it clear? So we can cut as smaller length as we can. Similarly, over here, this is known as fume hood. Here you can spin and deposit thin film using spin coater, and you can wash your samples by using this ultrasonic cleaner. Ultrasonic cleaner, it is also known as bath, ultrasonic bath. And along with that, over here, this is known as hot plate, where you can anneal your sample at a certain temperature like 110 or 20 degrees Celsius. Similarly, over here, this is known as furnace. Couple of these are known as furnaces, and where you can anneal your sample up to 1000 degrees Celsius. Up to 1000 degrees Celsius.
Oh, wow.
Understand? This is, I'm not talking about a Fahrenheit, I'm talking about the degree Celsius, where there is a boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. But over here you can anneal anything at a temperature of more than 800 to 1000 degrees Celsius using this furnace.
Very dangerous.
And it works pretty well.
Amazing.
Come on here. Come on. This is known as a refrigerator, but this is not used for beverages. It's used for chemical storage. Yeah.
Okay.
And this is not used for cold drinks or soft drinks. Okay.
Okay.
And we can also use cell phone as well. Yes. Yeah, it's working pretty well.
Okay.
Okay.